Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for a Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday video. Don't forget to support the channel with a like and subscribe for more updates, and leave your comments and questions below. I would be glad to answer it. So guys, on the intraday, of course, and this video is on the 1 hour chart or the 15-minute chart. However, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we are already looking for higher prices, and as expected in our analysis today, we are looking for a wave 3/3, and we are looking for a very strong and nice momentum for a 3/3. So that would be really nice if we reach already a very high level for only the wave 1. I know that this is a very strong trend, and we cannot yet count anything inside it, right? Because we did not reach any fib levels. It's just one leg, guys. And this is perfect because if we look at our 1 hour chart here, my path for this impulse would be, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to finish a wave 3, of course, for this first 1, 2 here. So your first 1, 2 target is your wave 3 at 74,600, guys. So it's not a, this is 14, perfect. Everything I think is clear enough, the font. At 74,677, right? And we are looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your wave 1 should be very impulsive and very high to get, of course, the first wave 1, and then 3, 4, and 5. Of course, after this, you want to see 3 corrective waves, and then another impulse finishing the wave 5 in yellow. And then, of course, by that all means, it will finish, of course, the wave 3 of this impulse, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A very long 3, of course, where you are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, this is your wave 3 of this 1, 2 here. Now, how much high it's gonna go, it depends, of course, guys. But this is exactly our scenario that we want to see, and it looks perfect. Perfect with all the analysis that we did, with all the fib levels that we hit for a wave 2, and especially with this long wave that we see here for wave 1. So if we look closer inside the wave 1, we are, it's really impossible to get a fib level here. If we put the fib level, let's say here, I want the 0.38 at least. So if I take it from here, from there, you did not hit any 0.38 anywhere, guys. So it's just one leg. Basically, it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is what I'm expecting, okay, to see something like this. And then, of course, then you get, of course, your 3-wave corrective, and then boom again. And possibly that we are on the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart, let's say it's gonna take to midnight. Possibly that, a few hours it start to range. And I don't know if this weekend is gonna be impulsive. Nobody knows, guys. Nobody. I mean, sometimes the weekends are impulsive, but most of the time are ranging, right? I would prefer, of course, to range in the weekend for a wave 2. However, if that does not happen until, of course, we reach here until midnight for a range in the weekend, okay, that's fine. I think this is a very good start for an impulse, guys. However, so we already invalidate any impulse towards the downside. Any impulse. There is no impulse which is still working well I mean, of course, everything is possible, but the possibilities are very low. And now, of course, it can be possible that we get kind of like diagonal. However, possibilities are much more bullish, guys. I don't want to enter in bearish scenarios now where we are everywhere bullish, okay? and especially after looking at this very strong trend towards the upside. So yeah, this is what we want to see exactly. We want to see a momentum for your wave 1 and then 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everything looks perfect. There is nothing to add to this analysis rather than the targets. Okay, rather than the targets. Your targets are, your first targets, guys, is 74,000, which is, I think, is it an all-time high? I think it is. It is already an all-time high. Okay, guys, so it's already an all-time high. Look how much impulsive we are, guys. Just with this small 1, 2 now, we are gonna hit 3, 4, and 5, possibly over than 74,000. And don't forget, of course, we have a 4, 5 to finish the second 1, 2, and we have one more 5 to finish the big 1, 2, where we're gonna hit exactly the 100K, 5-digit 100K scenario for Bitcoin. So I think, yeah, it would be nice to start celebrating. All right, so I think it would be nice to start be positive about it. It's not like before. We see some momentum. This is what we want to see. So that's it for Bitcoin price predictions. This is what I want to add. There is nothing to say about this, guys, rather than it is very impulsive. It is very good for a wave 1 and a very good for a wave 3 over 3. So this is exactly what we want to see. The only thing that I'm worried about is the weekend range. I hope that we don't get a very slow weekend, that it slow down the things, right? So this is it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.